In this Stride tutorial, we're going to go over how to settle an invoice in the point of sale. So it's much like settling a sales order, but instead of clicking the sales order button, we're going to click the invoice. Now the difference here is it's going to bring up our screen. We can see all the invoices that we have, open invoices that can be settled. So we're going to go ahead and select the invoice that we want to settle. Now if you're settling a sales order, it gives you the option to settle a down payment or settle the entire order. The invoice you can settle a different amount than that's due, but it doesn't automatically give us that option. The other difference between this and settling a sales order is with a sales order you can add additional products to the cart. The way our invoices are set up, we have to settle them separately from adding additional things to the cart. So when it comes to settling a sales order, an invoice, you can only settle that invoice, and if the customer wants to do additional transactions, they'll have to do that in a separate transaction. So for this one, we selected Billy Bob. We're going to come in here and they want to pay with cash, but they don't want to pay the $250. They want to pay $100 at this time and leave the rest on their account. So we just add the amount and we take that $100 in cash, and we say yes, we want to pay that amount, and then we validate that, and you can see the cash has gone in, the customer account has gone out, they're ready to go. That's done. Now you can do that separate transaction. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to just show you what that looks like in the accounting side of things. So we're going to come into our accounting and we're going to go to our customer invoices, and let's go back to our unpaid invoices. That list is shorter. You can see that this invoice for Billy Bob is now marked as partially paid, and there's our payment of $100 on 6/26. So the total was $250, and now they only owe $150 on that account. So that's how you can settle an invoice, and you can see also from down here, there's our chatter. The status went from not paid to partially paid today, and that was through the invoice button, through the point of sale. So hopefully that's helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.